spirit of Project Zulu is about empowerment. We don't tell our partner schools what they need, we respond to the needs that they present to us, and we develop strategies and programs and projects to help them to help themselves.
In 2003, we converted two classes or two classrooms into a computer lab. And then in 2004, we got the first teacher who was going to teach computers or computer lessons. Then in 2014, the Department of Education provided us with laptops to supplement that. Now that we have the lab and then we have the computers, the support that you need is to get the support from Project Zulu to provide us with more IT students to come and assist the school.
Our vision for our role in the fortnight that we've got is to work intensively with the 4 IT champions, the teachers that have got the most enthusiasm, skill and experience, and to match that with a future agenda for developing IT in the school. The other thing is much more practical around getting the computers networked so that they can share files, printing, internet access with a bit of luck. The school has a large number of laptops. The school has a small number of enthusiastic and engaged teachers. We're hoping, as part of our appraisal and our development work, to establish where the skills can be taken on, moved on, developed, and where the skills and the enthusiasm can be spread amongst the staff community, to bring the laptops into use much more.
Once they've all trained, they will take the laptops to different classrooms, so the teachers will be able to use those laptops and integrate them with their teaching in various subjects. That will be so helpful to us, definitely.
The support we're giving teachers will help them to use tech better in their lessons. And not only that, kids will have fun with digital media, but it will also help them in the future. By getting these skills, the children will have in the future better opportunities for finding jobs that Zulu community never had before.
We're hoping to leave behind a number of resources, checklists, IT resources, in order that the staff team can continue our work. We're hoping to map out a series of stages and to empower them with a plan, as well as some of our methodological knowledge, for want of a better term.
We are so thankful that Project Zulu has set up this IT project and brought in the IT students to assist us. This is a legacy for the school, and we are going to make sure that it is sustainable for future.
We had a discussion with Project Zulu team about the problem of water that we have. So they've sent us the students from UWE to come and help us or to see what they can do for us.
Well, the problem with the water is because it's rainwater and goes through the gutter to the pipes. Like they're like leaves and dirt and whatnot that goes through in the tanks. What the aim of this project is to convert the water from rainwater into we're going to purify it and turn it into fresh drinking water. So they can use that for drinking and also for like washing dishes and that kind of stuff instead of just gardening.
Our school will benefit from water students because now we are going to have clean water for our kids to drink. The kitchen will be able to use water for cooking, and we are also going to save money because we are no longer going to buy water from outside.
I chose to come abroad to South Africa to volunteer and get some engineering work experience because I think, well, I can help the community, and it's a really nice thing to do for the kids and just the teachers and the community here. In terms of working in the school, it's been really nice. Like, these kids appreciate what you're doing so much. They're really, really happy to see you. Whenever they see you around, they always say hi, or Sebona, which I think is hello in Zulu. So it's really nice to even pick up some of their language, as well as allowing the kids to expand their English as well. So we've been doing the different plans, just been looking at different kinds of filters that we can install into these water containers that hopefully they'll do in the near future, or maybe even the next year's intake. It's taught me the design, sort of the first stages of an engineering project, how you can go about it. Before this project, I didn't really have much practical experience, whereas this enabled me to get that experience and to actually put it in work and get that real world experience that most employers are looking for.
Since it was their first year doing a research, we hope next time they will come and do more on what they have found.
We've come a long way, but there's still so much work to do. These schools are benefiting from Project Zulu's involvement, but there's a lot of challenges still. Infrastructure, staff development, issues relating to power, water quality, technology. We're here for the long term, and we really hope to make a massive difference to Madadeni for a sustainable future.